We have received a new OnePlus 11 5G with exchange coupon 27,000 rupees today. I got through the courier. This I have been ordered on OnePlus store, online OnePlus store. See, this is OnePlus store from the 11 5G phone, OnePlus phone. This is we have ordered with 27,000 rupees coupon they given for the I have the existing OnePlus 80 phone got damaged due to the display got damaged due to the software upgradation. After that, we have got this. They provided the 27,000 coupons. Yeah, see the 11 how it's look like 11 5G phone. I am showing is unboxing for our reference purpose. Anybody want to book 11 for 11 OnePlus 11 5G phone, they can directly they can book on their website, OnePlus store website. See, this is basically it has the good this is elegant design. Basically it has the 256 GB memory and 16 GB RAM and 6.67 display size, and camera quality also 50 megapixels camera quality. And see how they provided, it's look very nice. It's similar to the like iPhone quality, the quality they providing the iPhone quality here. They provided one this is the one charger and cable separately they provided, but iPhone they don't give the any chargers or cables. You have to buy from outside. For earphones they are not giving here. Earphones we need to buy the earphones outside. For our purpose only I am providing all these things. This is the back cover also they provided. They provided back cover, everything they provided. Anyway, suppose those want to buy the iPhone, better to go for the OnePlus 11 5G phone and have enjoy basically your take your selfies and your photographies and whatever may be things, guys. Yeah, provide all the user guides and I hope you like this video and you can enjoy basically yourself and have a knowledge on OnePlus 11 5G phone. They provided all the things, all accessories they provided. You don't need to buy anything from outside, kind of thing. And see how this is unboxing of the 11 5G phone.